Are you thinking about signing up with mytaxcoin.com? Pause for a moment, because what seems like a cutting-edge, all-in-one crypto trading platform may not be what it appears to be. mytaxcoin.com markets itself as a fast, secure, and user-friendly exchange with access to over 100 decentralized platforms and support for popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance Coin. At first glance, it looks sleek and professional, boasting advanced tools and high-level security, but once you start digging, the cracks start to show. The entire website design appears to be a copy-paste template, eerily similar to several known scam sites, suggesting a lack of originality or real infrastructure. More troubling is the site's emphasis on top-tier security, yet there's no verifiable data to back those claims, no SSL certification details, no public audits, and no sign of regulatory compliance. Then there's the domain itself, just registered recently, which raises serious questions about the legitimacy and longevity of the operation. While the homepage displays logos of major crypto partners, none of them are actually affiliated with the platform upon investigation. This kind of misrepresentation is a massive red flag, especially in the world of crypto where transparency is key. Adding to the suspicion is the total absence of user reviews, expert analysis, or any meaningful chatter about mytaxcoin.com in reputable online forums or social media. That level of digital silence is not just rare, it's alarming. With no track record, no proof of user success, and questionable branding tactics, trusting your money with this platform could be a serious risk. While we can't definitively label it a scam, there's simply not enough evidence to recommend it as a safe or reliable place for crypto trading. When it comes to your investments, especially in the volatile world of cryptocurrency, skepticism isn't just smart, it's necessary.